morning everyone, my name is Jong Si Kyung. I come from DKA1A. My matrix number is 01 DKA21 F1153.
For the second person in this group, my name is Muhammad Afiq from DKA1A. My matric number is 01 DKA21 F1036.
Today I want to introduction about what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that study the relationship between the sides and angle of triangle. Trigonometry is found all throughout geometry, as every straight side shape may be broken into as a collection of triangles. Future still, trigonometry has extended intricate relationship to other branches of mathematics, in particular complex number, infinite series, logarithms, and calculus.
For the second present, I want to present about application of trigonometry in selected area. Much of the architecture and engineering relies on triangular support. One engineer determines the length of cable, the height of support tower, and the angle between the two when gauging weight load and bright strength. Trigonometry helps him to calculate the correct angle. It also allows builder to correctly lay out a curved wall, figure the proper slope of a roof, or the correct height and rise of a stairway. You can also use trigonometry at home to determine the height of a tree on your property without the need to climb dozens of feet in the air, or find the square footage of a curved piece of land. The first question in this topic is the customer wants to design a triangle elevator and has given that the angle of the two inner angles of the triangle are 72, 61 and the length of one side of the triangle 50 cm respectively. What formula can be used to find the length of the other two sides of a triangle? Right, for the first thing, we can change the above question to below center. For example, in angle ABC, given that angle B equals 72, angle C equals 61, and A equals 50 cm. What we are the length of A and B? 100 minus 72 minus 61 equals 47. For the second, 50 per sin 47 equal B per sin 72. The answer is B equals 65.02 cm. For the C, 50 per sin 47 equals C per sin 61. The answer of C is equal 59.8 cm. Both question to find area of triangle. The formula equal area equal 1/2 AB sin C. Thus, area equal 1/2 multiply 50 multiply 65.01 sin 61. The answer is 1421.7 cm square.
In conclusion, we know that the formula sin can be used to solve the problem in engineering. For example, we can use A over sin A equal to B over sin B equal to C over sin C to find the length of triangle. We also know that the formula 1 over 2 AB sin C can be used to find the area of triangle in trigonometry. The first people question, what are the define about dancing cost? The definition of dancing cost is we can use opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent of the triangle to find out inside angle. So we see the example question. In question, we know that O equals 5 and A equals 6. Find the angle of the triangle. So we have opposite and adjacent of triangle, so we can use the formula part. So during the process, we will get the angles of triangles. So next, the next people question, how to use the value of triangles such as x and y to find out the final angle position. So we have the example question, sin equal to 0.543x. We can use the calculator find out the angle. So we will have the first quadrant angle and second quadrant angle. The first quadrant angle is 32.94 and the second quadrant angle is 147.06. So in this part, some people will not understand why we must use the 118 minus 32.94 and get the final answer. This is because from the example question, we know that the question is positive. So according to the quadrant, we know that the value is also in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. So according to the formula, at the quadrant 2, we must use 118 minus reference angle and get the final answer.
Okay, for the third and last question Q&A in this group is about how to get the all angle in the triangle if we just have the value of length. Okay, for the first, you guys should to know the length all in triangle, and the second, you guys should to know the formula in this topic. For the first formula in this topic is the sine rule, the second is cosine rule, and the third is the area of triangle. And for the first we want to search is about the angle of C, and we choose the formula cosine rule. For example, C square equal A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C, and we in the all number in square and calculate that, and we got the angle of C is 27.66. For the angle of A, we choose the formula is sine rule. For example, sine A per A equals sine C per C, and we key in the all number and we got the 40.54, the angle of A. And for the lastly, we want to search the angle of B, and we use the formula area of triangle is that 180 minus C and minus A, minus angle A and minus angle C, and we got the angle of B is 112.8.